Hello, it's me again, and today we are doing a really nice tutorial. Created this beautiful little hairstyle which you can, change the direction of these curls anytime you like. If you want to see how I did this, then keep watching, and of course don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you like me or my hairstyles. Since I posted my last video where I went for a laugh line filler, by the way, my lips are still swollen, so excuse me right now before all these crazy comments start coming in, but I'm here because it's a nice sunny Sunday. I also want to record another challenge video for my YouTube, so I'm headed there. So I thought before I go out, I have to make my hairstyle anyway, so let me just record this for you guys, because since I posted my laugh line filler video, I asked you guys if you wanted to see that hairstyle in that video that I did that day. Many of you said yes, so here I am trying to recreate that hairstyle for you guys. So before we get into the video, if you like to, you can subscribe. You're really welcome to join this community. And now let me just get straight into this because I talk a lot. First of all, we're going to brush them through. So this is the hair. They come out like this naturally once they're washed and dried and conditioned and all of that. I have like these weird little curvy curls, whatever. It's just a very random hair texture. I just don't understand what it really is. It's not even curly, it's not even straight, it's just somewhere in the middle. It's like waves in the ocean. Yeah, I guess. And then we're gonna start with the hairstyle. Oh my god, did I forget to switch on the hair straightener? Oh no, it's on. Okay, now that they're brushed, I'm going to put a little bit of heat protectant, which I'm always using the same one. I'm going to give you guys a link to all these products that I use anyway, so check out the description. Now, it's really important to brush your hair out once you're done with applying your heat protectant, because it spreads them out evenly throughout the hair. By the way, this silk top is really cute. I just really didn't know how to style it because it's quite revealing and I just didn't want to wear it just on its own, That's not the main purpose of this video. I'm gonna section my hair now. Oh my god, I hope the sun stays out, because every time I decide to stay inside the house, the sun comes out. And when I plan to go out, I initially do see the sun, but then as soon as I step out of the house, guess what? The sun just leaves. The sun is just gone, Okay, so I just like to do like a front section here and then work with the rest of the hair. Another two sections, one on the right, one on the left. Small strands, like thin strands. I think it just makes the process so easy when you take strands from the back and just keep throwing them at the back. So I'm going to straighten them all the way to the bottom, but then as you get to the end, I'm going to curl them inwards. Like this. Do you see that? It's okay to have an exaggerated curl, because at the end, once you brush it out, it's going to be smoother anyway. There you go. Let me give you guys a little pro tip. When you want to straighten your hair from the scalp area, right? Hold your strands away from the head and then smoothen it outwards like this. And then let your strands fall. What that does, it creates extra volume and makes your hair appear a bit more fuller and thicker. So don't just straighten them like this, coming all the way down. You have to do like this. Smoothen them out. And then you can do with the rest of the strand whatever you like. And don't worry if the little curl at the end doesn't really match the direction of the other ones. Like, it's okay. In fact, the more unequal, is that a word? The more different they are to one another, the more volume and bounce it creates at the end once you brush them through. Okay, now let them stay like that so they get like a stronger hold and a stronger grip, let them cool down. They're still a little heated. Don't apply anything. I'm thinking not even apply hairspray today, because I don't think this hairstyle really needs a hairspray. It's just a little bounce that we have at the end, which usually stays on my kind of hair anyways. But however, if you have very smooth, silky, fine, thin hair, then definitely go ahead and apply a hairspray. I won't today. Okay, we're gonna repeat the same on the other side, and I'll see you in a minute. Oops, we're done with this side. This is how we're supposed to look like right now. I'm gonna now do this front profile hair. Oh my god, I'm already tired. Maybe I need a little cup of tea. Go back there. Chai with oat milk. Since I have left normal milk, I'm only now using oat milk, coconut milk, soy milk. I actually don't like soy milk for some reasons, I don't know why. In my eyes, coconut milk is the best, and second choice is always oat milk for me. Done with my little break, let's continue. I don't know why for some reason doing this main section of your head is always so hard, but I'm gonna take thin sections and just like be a little rough here, okay? So don't mind me, ignore. Main focus should be on these thin strands and curl them inwards from the very end, like so. I mean, I feel like straighteners are magic. The amount of hairstyles that I make with just a straightener every time, every single time, it's amazing. Ow! Okay, that will do. My baby hair is so annoying. Look at this. But I really wanted to grow them because I don't want a big, huge forehead, you know? I'm having these cold sores here around my lips. I get that only like, I don't know, twice or once a year. And I surprisingly got it about 2 days ago. It's a little lighter now, but I have so many small little sores here. I don't know, do you call them blisters or cold sores? Yes, that's what it is. Which is really annoying. I don't know how people are so pro at sectioning their hair, doing them like a pro. When it comes to the front section here, I am the most messy as it can get. It's such a relief when the front side is done. Front profile also is the most important one, and that's where I'm the most rough. Also, because I'm a lefty, I find it really hard to do this side, by the way. That is why I did this side off camera, because I'm so messy. There you go. Let's do it a bit stronger. Like this. Ouch. I'm still getting so many questions about what hair color I have. Guys, you need to watch my hair transformation video where I went from literally orange colored hair to a blondie, you know? I smell so good today. I don't know. I'm trying a different perfume. I'm like, why do I smell so good today? Maybe it's someone else around me, but no, I'm alone right now here. Of course, it's me, myself, right? And I just realized now as I'm doing this video that, oh, I'm trying a new perfume. The funny thing is I don't know its name. No, actually, wait. I'll show you guys. It's a sample. I have it in my purse right now. I can't wait for my lip swelling to go down. Even though the shape is amazing. A little more, you know, a little more. Like this. Nope. Ah. Okay, better. Could do better. Just never satisfied with the front profile, let's be honest. I don't know what I was thinking when I cut my fringe. Yeah, I cut it myself. If you want to see the video, it's linked below. It was like somewhere in December or November, like last winter when we still had lockdown, by the way. Thinking about it now, this seems like it was a different life and a different world back then during lockdown, you know. Thank God we don't have a lockdown anymore. Once you have achieved this, as I said, if you have thin hair, go ahead, apply some hairspray before you brush them out. If you are somebody like me, hi best friend, we have very stubborn, arrogant hair, okay, and they stay where they are. They don't even move, they don't budge no matter what. So if you're like me, have this kind of hair, then let them just be, let them cool down, okay, let them hold their own grip, and we're gonna brush them through now without any heat spray. Did I say heat spray? I mean hairspray, yes. Now ignore the sound because detangling brushes can really make the worst kind of noise. To me it always sounds like you're washing the dishes with like one of those scratchy, you know, if you're in a desi household, you know what I'm talking about, right? Brush. Okay, now the beauty of this hairstyle is if you brush them inwards, you're gonna have like this very cute kind of, I don't know, 60s little lady, like, you know, the very fine elegant ladies, they always had that, you know, with a little hat on top, and that's that, and maybe like a Chanel blazer, you know. But the beauty is some strands you can actually brush them outwards and you get this, some inwards. That's kind of how I like it. I like it a little mixed, you know, so I brush it in different directions, so I get a lot of zigzag, up and down, left and right. You understand my point? Yeah. And the best way to do that is, what you do is hold them like that, and then just brush them like randomly. Just hold the whole hair like this. Brush them randomly and then just leave them. Do you see that? So now you have inwards and outwards, and it's kind of like a mixture. That's what I like to do. But you can do this, you can do them fully outwards, fully inwards, or a mixture like this. It's really your choice. And on me, obviously, this kind of hairstyle lasts a good few days. So that means I can play around with the texture and the curl direction for the next like 2 or 3 days, you know, and have them looking like I've got them done professionally. I'm just gonna smoothen my front profile like a little inwards to contour my face, you know, just a little bit. Yeah, so perfect. Oh, this is just perfection, you know.